What's up everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J, and today I'm doing a look using the Natasha Denona Mini Crush palette, and on the box it says that it is a Valentine's exclusive. And here is the Mini Crush palette. All of these shades are re-promotes with the exception of this middle shade right here, Koi. That is the only new shade. So it comes with the palette and it comes with a mini brush, and of course the packaging is millennial pink with hearts all on it because that is what the people want. You all love pink and so you're getting it. So if you don't know me, I'm Kelsee Briana J, and I am not anti-pink, but I am not pro-pink either. You know, I'm just kind of one of those people that will occasionally dabble in some pink, and I don't have to do anything but about one pink look a year and that satisfies my quota. So for us to have gotten so many pink palettes throughout the past 2 years, I'm kind of perturbed. But you know what? I went ahead and got this one because I am a Natasha Denona collector and I have all of her eyeshadow palettes that she's ever launched. So I couldn't skip this one up just for the sake of it being pink. And I actually created a look that doesn't look too pink, so I'm proud of myself. But let me know if you all picked up this palette down below. I want to know your thoughts on pink palettes, and do you have pink fatigue? Are you here for it? Do you want more pink palettes? Let a girl know. Let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. I want to walk you through how I created this look, and then I'll share a few more of my thoughts on this palette at the end of the video. So stay tuned and I hope that you all enjoy. Let's pop into Lotus, and I'm going to take this first back and forth above my crease with a really fluffy brush. This is a rougher number 16 brush, and this is going to be my transition shade, so just back and forth. And then I'm gonna go into Soul with a really tapered brush. Also a rougher brush, but this one is a prototype, so I don't know the number. I'll include it here. But I'm just gonna take this right in the crease and just go back and forth. This is gonna give us a super serious fuchsia soulful crease color, okay? If you need to, go back with your fluffy brush and just diffuse everything out. We're gonna pop into Koi. Let's take that on the outer corner, okay? Give us a little bit of purpleness going on, and then bring it up to the crease. Now I'm going to take a flat shader in the shade Claret. This is a Chikuhodo FO-6. And I'm just going to pop that. Oh, that's really pretty. I really like this shade. I'm going to pop that on the lid and then work it towards the inner corner. And lastly, I'm going to go into Daisy for the lid and pop that on the top portion on the inner corner. Now I just need to apply a little bit of concealer. Let's brighten it up underneath there. I'm gonna take Natasha Denona's liquid liner in black across the top because I love this liquid liner. It's so sharp and it's so black. I'm gonna pop into Soul with a little detailer brush. This one is a Sonia G flat definer. I'm gonna take that all the way across. I might have picked up a little bit much because this shade is very pigmented. Matter of fact, I know I picked up too much, but that's all right. I'm just diffuse it out and go with it. I'm not going to take it all the way on the inner corner though, because I am going to put another color there. And then let's go into Daisy and finish that off on the inner corner. Okay. Like boom. That's it with the eye look. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Love Cheek Duo and pop some of that highlighter right on there. Oh yes, I am. And then I'm gonna pop on some of this cream blush. Sonia G Face too. Okay. That's pretty. I like the combination of colors. I think it pops, it has pizzazz, and I love how easily everything blended out. The quality was there. So let's zoom out, and I want to share a few more thoughts about some of the products that Natasha Denona has in her arsenal. I love my eye look. This is one of my favorite mini eyeshadow palettes that Natasha has done, and it's pink and I still like it. You know, it has unexpected pops of color in there. Like Clarette, I like that she included that because it's something non-traditional from the typical pink looks that we've been getting over and over and over for like 2 years now. So I actually do like this. I think that it's a really nice take on traditional Valentine's Day colors, but with a twist. And like I said, the quality is all the way there. Everything blended out really nicely, and I'm loving my eye look. Between Mini Crush and Mini Love, color-wise, I think I like Mini Love better just because it's a little bit deeper, and I feel like it's overall more complete with the color story because I have the lighter color in here, I have a color to put in my crease, the outer corner color, and then I have 2 different options for the lid shades. And then with Mini Crush, I feel like it airs on the lighter side, but it still has those pinkish shades in there. I have something that I can put in the crease. It is a little bit light on me, so if you're deeper than me, it's gonna be too light for that. But I also can pop into this shade for the crease too, so there's a little bit of something to play with there. I have my lid shades and the outer corner deepening shades, so it has pretty much everything you need too. But as far as how I typically do my makeup, I normally would go in with a color story more similar to the Mini Love palette, just based on personal preference. But quality wise, I think the Mini Crush is crushing it. It's super smooth. I didn't have to go over the shades over and over again, so I'm really liking it. I mean, I like both of them. You really can't go wrong with either one if you are a pink loving person who also is infatuated with Valentine's Day. It just comes down to which color story draws you in more, you know? I could do without the brush though, I will be honest. I think that Natasha thinks she's giving us a little bonus or a little incentive to purchase the palette. I don't need to have it. All it's doing is making my packaging different in my drawer, and I collect Natasha Denona stuff. So I'm like, no, I need it to all be cohesive. So at this point, I think I have 3 mini palettes with a brush, and then all the rest of them don't. So I'm like, Natasha, keep the packaging the same. But let me know if you all are interested in this palette down below. What is your take on the pink craze? Are you tired of it? Are you into it? I know a lot of people cannot get enough of it because you're pink lovers, but even still, how much is too much? Let me know what you're thinking. Did you pick this up? And let me see some of your looks if you've done them. Make sure you tag me on Instagram at Kelsee Briana J. Use the hashtag Kel Belles. That way, if you do tag me, it doesn't get lost, because if you just add me, I might not see it. So if you use my hashtag, I have time to go back and see it. So I look forward to reading what you guys have to say and seeing y'all out there on the internet somewhere, tag a girl. And I will check you all in my very next video, which will be super, super soon. Smooches. Bye.